integration. Now, real integration, integral f of x dx, for example, integral y of x dx. This is called real, that is real function integration. Now, complex function integration means in place of y of x, complex function is there. What is a complex function? F of z equal to u plus iv. Let w equal to f of z equal to u plus iv be the analytic function, where u and v are what? Functions of x and y. Okay, let me write that also. U x comma y plus I into v x comma y, w equal to be the complex function. See, I'm not talking about analytic function, just it is a complex function. It may be analytic function or may not be analytic function. Okay, w equal complex function defined over the contour C, curve C. Contour means what? Piecewise smooth curve. Contour means what? Piecewise smooth curve. Contour means piecewise smooth curve. Curve, that means the curve is like this. It is a smooth curve. There is no discontinuity. Join of all arcs, join of all curves, that is called piecewise smooth curve. Okay, this function f of z is defined over the curve C or the contour C. Then integral f of z dz over C is called as complex integration. Okay, now how to evaluate this one? That means what? F of z is given in terms of x and y. And what is dz here? Z is x plus iy. Here z equal to x plus iy. That means what is dz equal to? Dx plus I dy. Therefore, what is this entire becomes f of z dz along over C is equal to integral over C. F of z means what? U and v are functions of x and y. And what is this? Dx plus I dy. So what I'm getting here, if I separate real and imaginary parts in this total product, real part first u dx, next one minus v dy. This is real part, plus I into integral over C. I'm separating two, okay, into two integrals, or let me write single one. This is whole bracket. I into what is the imaginary part? V dx plus u dy. This whole. This is integral of f of z dz. Over C. Done. What is the curve C equation? Evaluate the RHS integral using the equation of the curve. Okay, this is evaluation of complex function integration. Okay, and see here, dx is there, dy is there. But what is the integration? Only one integration, line integration. Therefore, I have to convert entire this integrand to a function of single variable. That means totally either in terms of x or either in terms of y, either in terms of x, either in terms of y, using the equation of the curve. Okay, that is the logic. And convert this entire integral to function of single variable using the equation of the curve. See, one problem and one more point. What is the note here? If C is a circle, C is a circle. What is a circle? Mod Z minus A equal to R. If C is a circle, it is a circle equation in terms of complex variables. Mod Z minus A equal to R. What is this? Is a circle with a center at A and radius R units. And radius R. Okay. How to define this? How to identify this is a whether circle or not? Just I'm giving brief idea. Mod Z minus A equal to R. Z means what? X plus Iy minus A equal to R. That is what? X minus A is the real part. Iy is the imaginary part. Y is the imaginary part. Equal to R. What is the mod? That is real part whole square plus imaginary part whole square equal to R square. Exactly what is this? It is a circle with center at A comma 0 and radius R units. Right? Now the point is here, whenever circle C is given as mod Z minus A equal to R, mod Z minus A equal to R, this is very important. Put Z minus A equal to R into e to the power of I theta. Z minus A equal to R into e to the power of I theta. Then what happens then? See, for this, if I apply mod on both sides, what happens? See, mod Z minus A equal to mod R into e power I theta. That is mod R mod e power I theta. This implies mod Z minus A equal to what? R. E power I theta means what? Cosine theta plus I sine theta. Done. That is what? Cosine theta modulus of cosine theta minus I sine theta is what? Circle. That is mod. This value is 1 since mod cosine theta plus I sine theta value is 1. Cos square plus sine square, right? Cos square theta plus sine square theta under root, that is value 1. So whenever this circle is given, then what is the substitution for Z minus A? This Z minus A is equal to this R into e power I theta. Remember this point, R into e power I theta. Okay. Now see, let us solve one problem. First, let me take along the curve C. I will take any example, exercise example. All of you solve these solved examples in the textbook. I'm taking one exercise example. Evaluate integral 0 to 1 plus I. Integral 0 to, better I will take joining. It's not there. Okay. 0 to 1 plus I x square minus Iy. X square minus Iy dz. Along the paths. First question, along the paths y equal to x. And second question, y equal to x square. Y equal to x square. Okay. Solution. I'm solving B. Let curve C be y equal to x square. Curve C be y equal to x square. What is the y equal to x square? X square equal to y, parabola. X square equal to y, parabola. This is y equal to x square. This is curve C. This entire is curve C. And what is the given here? What is integral? Integral 0 to, I have to evaluate where to where? 0 to 1 plus I x square minus Iy. X square minus Iy dz. From where to where I have to evaluate? 0 to, this means 0 comma 0. 1 plus I is nothing but what? 1 comma 1. So where is 1 comma 1? If I take 1 here, 1 here, this is the point 1 comma 1. This is the point 1 comma 1. Therefore, what is the curve C? This is the curve C. Only this part is the curve C. Only this part is the curve C. Y equal to x square. Got it? Okay, once again, let me draw. This is the parabola x y equal to x square. This is the parabola y equal to x square. And where is the point 1 comma 1? If I take 1 here, this is the point 1 comma 1. And where I have to take integration from 0 to 1 1. 0 to 1 1 means what is the curve C? Exactly, this is the curve C. This is curve C. Only that part over the parabola from 0 0 to 1 1 is the required integration. So what is this is? This is equal to integral 0 to 1 plus I x square minus iy. I have to write what? Dz is nothing but dx plus idy. Dx is dx plus idy. So, and here c is what? Y equal to x square. That means I know y value in terms of x square. See what I told? Evaluate this integral using the equation of the curve. That is, equation of the curve is this one. So what is dy is nothing but 2x dx, and totally that means entire y is transformed to x terms. And overseeing x varies from where to where? Over this curve C, x varies from 0 to 1. X varies from 0 to 1. Okay, so what this is nothing but, now convert every term to y. This is x square minus this is also x square. This is dx plus I. Dy means what? 2x dx. Dy means what? 2x dx. So what is this? 1 minus I outside, and what is this? 0 to 1. This is x square, and dx is common. 1 plus 2 I x will be there. Is it correct? Right. This is equal to 1 minus I 0 to 1 x square plus 2 I x cube dx. That is equal to 1 minus I x cube by 3 plus 2I x power 4 by 4 between what limits? 0 to 1. So this equal to 1 minus I. This is upper limit 1 by 3 plus 2I by 4. Lower limit 0. So it becomes 0. This is the answer. So 1 minus I by 12. 1 minus I by 12. What is this? 4 plus 2I. 4 plus 2I. So I can write 1 minus I by 6 into 2 common, 2 plus I. Let us multiply this. What is this? 2 plus 2I minus 2I, sorry, 2 plus I. 2 plus I minus 2I minus I square. Minus I square. So what is this value? 1 over 6. This is negative 1. That means plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus I by 6. This is the value of the integration. Value of the integration. Next question. Yeah, take this. A assignment. For you, A assignment. Parallel to, yeah. Find the value of integral 0 to 1 plus I x minus y plus I x square dx along, here also two problems. One is, first one, along a straight line, along a straight line from z equal to 0 to z equal to 1 plus I. Z equal to 0 to z equal to 1 plus I. And second one, B, along a real axis, from z equal to 0 to z equal to 1, z equal to 0 to z equal to 1, and then along a line, parallel to the along a line parallel to the imaginary axis, parallel to the imaginary axis from z equal to 1 to 1 plus I. Z equal to 1 to 1 plus I. Solution, I will solve B problem. A assignment. A is assignment. Okay. First, what is the curve C? See, this is evaluation of the curve. What is the curve C? Here, curve C is the join of what is this? I will write first. Let me draw the figure. Let me draw the figure. X-axis, y-axis. Okay, this is 0. What is the first point? Z equal to 0 to Z equal to 1. Z equal to 0 to Z equal to 1. Z equal to 0 to Z equal to 1. Z equal to 0 means this one. Z equal to 1 means what? See, just I am briefing here. Z equal to 0 means 0 comma 0. Z equal to 1 means what? X plus Iy equal to 1. Only real part. X value 1. So Z equal to 1 is nothing but what? This is Z equal to 0. And I am taking this is Z equal to 1. Z equal to 1 is nothing but what? X equal to 1. X plus Iy equal to 1. 1 comma 0. Nothing but. Real axis. Along a real axis from, see, I am taking line. This one. First one. And then along a line parallel to imaginary axis from Z equal to 1 to where? Z equal to 1 to 1 plus I. Where is 1 plus I? If I take here 1 plus I is nothing but what? 1 comma 1. This is 1 plus I. That is 1 comma 1. This is 1 comma 1. So parallel to this. So another curve C is what? Now what is the curve C? It is the join of this one plus this one. Along these two straight lines, I have to evaluate. So I am writing here. Here, curve C is the join of two straight lines. Two straight lines from Z equal to 0 to Z equal to 1. And another one is what? Z equal to 1 to Z equal to 1 plus I. Z equal to 1 plus I. This is 1 plus I. 1 plus I. Okay, this point. 1 comma 1. 1 plus I means. So since it is join of two straight lines, I am taking this one as C1 and this one as C2. Two straight lines. Therefore, integral over C. Integral over C. What is the given integration? What is that? X minus y plus I x square. X minus y plus I x square. I x square whole square is there. Whole square dx is equal to what? Integral over C1 x minus y plus I x square dx plus integral over C2 x minus y plus I x square dx. I x square dx. Any doubts here? See here given as curve C is the join of two straight lines. So I am splitting into two parts. Okay, now one by one. Take this as 1. First, over C1. Over C1. What is the equation of C1? Equation of C1 is, what is that? Nothing but real axis. Real axis means what? Y equal to 0 in brackets x axis. This one. This is x axis C1. So what is dy equal to 0? And over C1, since y terms are eliminated here, x varies from over C1, x varies from where to where? 0 to 1. 0 to 1 clearly. This part is over. Next, over C2. I'm taking over C2. Equation of C2 is what? Equation of C2 is what? See, C2 is parallel to what? Y-axis. C2 is parallel to y-axis. So what is equation of C2? X equal to what distance? 1 distance. Okay. So equation of C2 is x equal to 1 parallel to y-axis at a distance 1. At at a distance 1. Okay, so what is dx equal to here? 0. That means what? I'm substituting for x and dx. So x will be eliminated. So over C1, I have to write limits for over C2. I have to limits for what? Y. Y varies from where to where? See clearly. This is what? Z equal to 1 means what is this point? 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0 to 1 comma 1. So y coordinate is what? Y coordinate is what? 0 to 1. 0 to 1. So y varies from 0 to 1. Y varies from 0 to 1. Therefore, equation 1 implies integral 0 to 1 plus I. 0 to 1 plus I, it is the curve C. Okay, joining these 2 points 0 comma 0 to 1 comma 1. What is a function? X minus y plus I x square dx equal to, first over C1 na? Over C1, okay, I will write one more step. Over C1, what I have? Y0 and dy0. X varies from 0 to 1. X plus ix square. I think dz is there here. Sorry, all of you, this is dz. Here also dz. Dz will be there. Dz. In question also, this is dz. This is dz. So what is dz is nothing but, okay, I have to write one more step. What is this? Over this is 0 to 1 plus I x minus y plus I x square. Dz is nothing but what? Dx plus I dy. So first one over C1 I will write y value 0 over C1. So x values will be there. Dy is also 0 over C2. Over C2 what? X value is 1. X value is 1. That means in this one I have to substitute x equal to 0 and dx equal to 0. 1 minus y plus I. Dx is 0 means I dy will be there. I dy will be there. So evaluation is what? One more step, because I have to write the limits here. X plus ix square dx plus here also y limits are 0 to 1. 1 plus I minus y, I outside dy. Done? Okay, right. So this is equal to x square by 2 plus ix cube by 3. This is between 0 to 1 plus 1 plus I into y minus y square by 2. This is also from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1. Okay. Now this is equal to, this is 1 by 2 plus I by 3, lower limit 0, plus here also lower limit 0, 1 plus I minus 1 by 2. 1 plus I minus 1 by 2. So what are the real parts? This 2 gets cancelled. 1 plus 4I by y by 3 plus I, 1 plus 4I by 3 is the answer. 1 plus 4I by 3 is the answer. Okay, this is one model. Now, this is over a path. Over a path. Now let us see. This problem. Any doubts in the concept? You need any more theory or more clarification? Evaluate. I equal to integral over C z power n dz. Z power n dz. N equal to 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 and so on, where C is mod z equal to R, is traversed, mod z equal to R, traversed in the contour, traversed in the contour, sorry, not contour, counter, traversed in the counter clockwise direction. This problem is important. Counterclockwise direction. Okay. Now, how to evaluate this integral? Solution. First, what is the curve C? Here, the curve C is, here the curve C is the circle, isn't it right? Not straight line. Is the circle mod Z equal to R. That means what? Center at 0, Z minus A value is 0. Center at 0 with radius R. With radius R units. Got it? I told you already, when mod Z equal to R, mod Z minus A equal to R, then what I have to put? Mod Z minus A equal to R into Z minus A equal to R into e power I theta I have to put, right? So now here A value 0. Therefore, what is Z equal to? R into e power I theta. Z equal to what? R into e power I theta. Got it? Okay. Any doubts? Next one. R is this one. What is dz equal to now? What is dz? Yes, anybody? Yes. This is z power n. Anyone? Here two variables are there, r and theta. Two variables are there, r and theta. R is the constant, right? Only theta varies here. So dz equal to what? dr into I into e power I theta. R into I into e power I theta and theta derivative d theta. Theta derivative d theta. Then what is the question now? Integral over C, z power n dz is there. Z power n dz is there, right? So what I have to evaluate here? Integral over C, z power n means what? R into e power I theta whole power n, R into I into e power I theta d theta, e power I theta d theta, that is equal to, and this is I. R is also constant. R is a fixed radius. R power n plus 1 outside. Is it correct? Right. Integral over C, e to the power of I and theta. So I into n plus 1 theta d theta. Correct? Done. Right? Here, what is C? See, it is clearly given. C is the circle. C is the circle traversed in the counterclockwise direction. Counterclockwise direction means this clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. This is the circle. Circle with center at 0 with radius r units. Counterclockwise direction means in a clockwise direction. Here, C is traversed. Means passing. Traversed in counterclockwise direction. Counterclockwise direction. Therefore, along C, theta varies from where? Full circle. Full circle. Theta varies from where to where? 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, this is equal to z to the power of n dz over C equal to, now theta equal to 0 to 2 pi. Theta equal to 0 to 2 pi. I into r to the power of n plus 1. Theta equal to 0 to 2 pi. E to the power of, I will write same thing. E to the power of I n plus 1 theta d theta. What is its integration? I into r to the power of n plus 1. E to the power of I mx formula or m theta. I into n plus 1 divided This is between what limits? 0 to 2 pi. So IA gets cancelled. R to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. R to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. And what about this? See, e to the power of I theta is nothing but what? Cos theta plus I sin theta, isn't it? This is between 0 to 2 pi. Now this equal to R to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. First upper limit 2 pi. Cos 2 into something means cos even pi 1 plus I into sin n pi is always 0 minus cos 0 value 1. Cos 0 value 1. Done? Cos 0 value 1 and sin 0 value 0. Sin 0 value 0. Got it? And one more important point is what? When I took this integration, okay, this is for n not equal to minus 1. When n equal to minus 1, when n equal to minus 1, this denominator 0. So this integration does not exist when n not equal to, this is important, n not equal to minus 1. So what happened here? This is equal to, and what is this integral? Integration z to the power of n dz over c is equal to, what is this answer? 1 minus 1, 0. So 0 for what? For n not equal to minus 1. This is very important. Along c, what is the c? Mod z equal to r. Mod z equal to r. Now, but when n equal to minus 1, what happened? Mod z equal to r. When n equal to 1, what happened? Now, when n equal to negative 1, then again begin, start with the beginning one. When n equal to minus 1, what is this becomes? When n equal to minus 1, I have to write like this. Then integral over c z to the power of n dz is equal to integral over c 1 by z dz. Is it correct? 1 by z dz. 1 by z dz. Then what happened here? This is equal to, what is z value? Already I told you what is the z value. Integral theta equal to 0 to 2 pi. There is no doubt. 1 by z is nothing but what? R into e power I theta. And what is dz is nothing but r into I into e power I theta d theta. So which terms are getting cancelled? This one, this one, this one getting cancelled. I between 0 to 2 pi d theta. So I into theta between 0 to 2 pi, that is nothing but 2 pi I. 2 pi I is the value. So what is the conclusion? What is the conclusion here? Conclusion is what? Integral over mod z equal to r. Z to the power of n dz. Value is what? First one is what? 0 for 0 for n not equal to minus 1. That means for every value of n, its value is 0 except minus 1. And its value is what? 2 pi I for n equal to minus 1. This is the conclusion. This is the conclusion. Any doubts? Once again, let me explain this problem. What is the curve C is given as? Curve C is given as the mod z equal to r. That is the circle. When mod z minus a equal to r, I have to write z minus a equal to r into e power I theta. So r into e power I theta I have taken, z equal to, then dz I have written, substituted in this formula. Okay. When circle is given, this is the procedure. Okay. Transform to r into e power I theta terms. Then I am simplifying this, I got this. Then when I took the integration with respect to theta, I got n plus 1 term in the denominator. So this integration does not valid when n equal to minus 1. So it's valid only for n not equal to minus 1. When I substitute simplified this, I got 0 for n not equal to minus 1. Now what is the case? N equal to minus 1. I am again starting with the problem. Put n equal to minus 1 in the given problem, z power n. So that becomes 1 by z. Then again I am substituting z value, that is r into e power I theta Okay, and dz value, and simplifying I am getting 2 pi I. So its extension assignment. What is the assignment? Its extension. Prove that. Prove that. First point, integral over c 1 by z minus a dz equal to 2 pi I. 2 pi I, and this is a and this is b. Integral over c z minus a whole power n dz equal to 0. For these two problems where c is the circle mod z minus a equal to r, mod z minus a equal to r, so r combinedly prove that integral over c z minus a whole power n dz equal to 0 for n not equal to minus 1 is 2 pi I for n equal to minus 1. Exactly same. Exactly same. Okay. Any doubts?
Sir, in this problem, if C is traversed in clockwise direction, then limits will be same or different.
Limits?
0 to 2 pi limits we took no sir here in this problem.
Yes, yes.
If question is asked in clockwise direction,
It is clockwise direction only, na?
sir, in this problem counterclockwise direction they gave.
Acha, acha, acha. Counter clockwise direction. Doesn't matter. See, counterclockwise means what in your idea?
Opposite to clockwise direction.
Opposite to clockwise direction means what? This side, right?
Yes, sir.
Right, this side. When this side is there, that means anti-clockwise direction, correct?
Yes, sir.
When anti-clockwise direction is there, what is the angle? What is the angle? Negative, right? Yes. Clockwise direction or angle is taken as positive, correct?
Yes, sir.
Anti-clockwise direction, angle is taken as negative, correct?
Yes, sir.
So you take 0 to minus 2 pi, doesn't matter. Correct?
Okay, sir.
0 to minus 2 pi. Good doubt, it's anyway, because the answer is there is no change at all, minus 2 pi. Now it is okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very nice. But in the next problem, there is no clockwise, anti-clockwise. Whenever that direction is not given, you have to consider angle as positive only. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, next problem. Which one I should take? This is over. This is over. Yeah, see this. Next problem. Evaluate integral over c mod z dz, where c is the contour. C is the contour. First question. Straight line from z equal to minus I to plus I. Z equal to minus I to z equal to plus I. Second question. Left off of the unit circle. Left off of the unit circle. Mod z equal to 1. Mod z equal to 1 from z equal to minus I to z equal to plus I. And third question. circle given by mod z plus 1 equal to 1 described in the clockwise sense. Yeah, all of you, just one more point, all of you, see, generally, make a note here. I'm giving here, anti-clockwise direction means, anti-clockwise sense means angle is positive. Clockwise direction, this is the first point. Clockwise direction, angle is negative. This is the case. So here you will get plus only. This is anti-clockwise, counterclockwise, right? So this is plus only, all of you, not minus. This is plus only, right? Remember this point. Clockwise direction, angle is taken as negative. Anti-clockwise direction, angle is taken as positive. Now, in this one, first case solution, what is C is, what curve C is straight line. Straight line from z equal to minus I to z equal to plus I. Z equal to minus I to z equal to plus I. What is this one? Y-axis. Z equal to minus I means what? Z equal to minus I means what? This is 0 comma minus 1. Z equal to plus I means what? 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1. So what is the straight line? Exactly, this is the straight line. This is origin. This is the straight line from z equal to minus I to z equal to plus I. Done. And what is the given integration? Integral mod z dz. Integration over C mod z dz. Done. That is equal to, what is mod z? Is nothing but x square plus y square under root. This is nothing but dx plus I dy. See, this is a straight line. This is the straight line. That is why I am taking in terms of x and y's over C. Done. Over C. Tell me what are the limits? Anyone? Fast.
Minus I to plus
minus 1 to
Which one? Over C. See, what is C? C is nothing but what? Y-axis, correct?
yes, sir.
Y-axis means what? X equal to 0. Correct? X equal to 0 means what? Y dx equal to? Dx equal to 0. And y varies from where to where? Yes?
Minus 1 to 1.
And y varies from where to where? Yes, come on.
Minus 1 to 1, sir.
Yeah, minus 1 to 1. Jartha chondi problem. Why I am stressing this, right? Therefore, what happened? Therefore, integral over C mod z dz equal to integral over y equal to minus 1 to plus 1. X value 0 and y value, y square is there. The square root of y square. Dx value 0, so I am getting dy. So what is this value now? Yes? Yes, what is the value? What is the value? See, if you write this one as minus 1 to 1, square root of y square, one can write this I outside y dy. What is y function? Odd function. Between minus 1 to 1, what is its value? 0, correct? Its value 0. But this is wrong. But this is wrong. Okay. Then, what is the thing then? This is minus 1 to 1. Square root of y square I outside dy can be written as, you see, square root of y square value in minus 1 to 0. What is this value? Negative. Square root of y square value negative. So I have to write minus 1 to 0. This is minus y dy first part. And in 0 to 1, square root of y square value, positive value. Positive value. Okay. That is equal to I into, what is this value? Minus y square by 2. Minus 1 to 0. Next one, plus y square by 2. 0 to 1. So this is I into minus 1 by 2, upper limit 0, lower limit 1, plus 1 by 2, 1 and 0. So what is this value? Plus 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2. I is the value. Any doubts? Any doubts? Now, second one. What is the second one here? C is the left half. C is the left half of the unit circle. Left half of the unit circle. Mod z equal to 1. From where to where? From z equal to minus I to z equal to plus I. Z equal to minus I to z equal to plus I. So let me draw the figure first. What is this? X-axis, y-axis. Mod z equal to 1 means what? Circle. Mod z equal to 1, circle. Done? And where is z equal to minus I? This is minus I and this is plus I. Minus I and this is plus I. And right? And what is the given? Left half of the unit circle. Left half of means what? This one. Left half from where to where? Minus I to plus I. Minus I to plus I. Exactly. This is the curve C. This red part. This red part is the curve C. Red part is the curve C. What is the direction? Clockwise direction? Yes? Is it what direction? From minus I to I means it is clockwise direction. Clockwise direction means I told what the angle should be negative. So what is this? Is 0. This is 0 and this is what becomes negative pi by 2. And this is negative pi. And this becomes what? Minus 3 pi by 2. Minus 3 pi by 2. Any doubts? Right? Therefore, what is the given integral? Therefore, integral, okay, over C, I will write like this first. Over C from z equal to minus I to plus I, theta varies from minus pi by 2 to minus 3 pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 to minus 3 pi by 2. Okay. Therefore, integral over C mod z dz. Mod z dz. Mod z dz equal to, what is mod z? Clearly 1. 1 dz between what limits? Theta equal to negative pi by 2 to negative 3 pi by 2. So this is what? Yeah, wait. This is theta limits, no? So I have to convert into theta. Yeah, wait. The thing is here, mod z equal to 1, na? over C, mod z equal to 1. C is mod z equal to 1. So what is z equal to? E power I theta. E power I theta. Don't forget this. In much pen, but remember z equal to then. Z equal to e power I theta. So what is mod z then? And dz is what? Dz is I into e power I theta into d theta. So mod z value 1 doesn't matter. But what is dz value? I into e power I theta into d theta. This is the theory. Then what is its integration now? I outside. E power I theta by I. This is between negative pi by 2 to negative 3 pi by 2. Done. So this is equal to I gets cancelled. E to the power of minus I 3 pi by 2 minus e to the power of minus I pi by 2. What is this value now? This is what? Cos 3 pi by 2 minus I sin 3 pi by 2. Next minus cos pi by 2 minus I sin pi by 2. Minus I sin pi by 2. This is 0. This is I into, this is negative 1. Minus this is 0 and this is I, positive 1. So this is I plus I. What is the answer? 2I. I plus I, 2I. Any doubts in this one? Yes, any doubts? Now let me tell you, I'm trying without considering negative limits. Without considering negative limits. What is this? This is the circle. This is my integration part. This is z equal to negative I, and this is z equal to positive I. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. This is my curve C from z equal to minus I to z equal to plus I. If I consider, for example, if I consider the anti-clockwise direction, what is the angle here? Theta equal to 0. And what is the angle here? Theta equal to pi by 2. What is the angle here? Theta equal to pi. What is the angle here? Theta equal to 3 pi by 2. And next theta equal to 2 pi. Now, if I consider this part over C mod z dz, what is the angle now? Anti-clockwise. This and even though anti-clockwise, this is clockwise direction. Reverse angle. What is this? Theta equal to what? 3 pi by 2 to pi by 2. One can consider like this also without considering negative angles. If you have no confusion, you can use this also. Mod z value 1 and dz value I into e power I theta d theta. Let me check what is the answer. I e power I theta by I. What is this? 3 pi by 2 to pi by 2. So I cancel. This is e power I pi by 2 minus e power I 3 pi by 2. E power I pi by 2 means what? Cos pi by 2, 0 plus I into sin pi by 2, that is 1. Minus this is cos 3 pi by 2 plus I into sin 3 pi by 2 negative 1. So I plus I, 2I. Choice is yours. You can apply any one. Okay. Either you can use negative angle case, or if I want to use positive angles, this is 0, this is pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, then traversion is like this. So angle varies from 3 pi by 2 to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, this is the second case. Now, third one. What is the third one? What is the third one? C is the circle. C is the circle given by mod z plus 1 equal to 1 described in the clockwise sense. Described in the clockwise sense. So clockwise direction. Okay. Now what is the circle here? C is mod z plus 1 equal to 1. I told you already, if mod z minus a equal to r, then z minus a is taken as what? R into e power I theta. Therefore, z plus 1 is taken as r value 1. So 1 into e power I theta. Right? Then what is z value? E power I theta minus 1. Done. Okay, and what is this is given as described in described in clockwise sense. When clockwise sense, since clockwise sense is given, clockwise sense is given, theta varies over C from, now clockwise sense means what? Negative 0 to minus 2 pi, 0 to minus 2 pi. Anti-clockwise positive, clockwise negative, right? Therefore, what is the now? Therefore, integral, what is this? Mod z dz over C is equal to, theta is from 0 to negative 2 pi. What is mod z? Z value is what? This is mod z. And what is dz becomes here? Dz is I into e power I theta d theta. So I into e power I theta d theta. Is it correct? D theta. Now, how to solve this then? E power I theta. Okay, it is there, no problem. This equal to, again one more e power I theta is there. Yeah. This is integral 0 to minus 2 pi. This is cos theta plus I sin theta minus 1 e power I theta d theta. I outside. That is equal to I into 0 to negative 2 pi. What is the real part? Okay, I will write like this. Cos theta minus 1 together plus I sin theta mod e power I theta d theta. Okay, that is equal to I into 0 to negative 2 pi. This is what? Cos theta minus 1 whole square plus sin square theta under root will be there. E power I theta d theta. So that is equal to I into integral 0 to minus 2 pi. What is this? Becomes under root of cos square theta plus 1 minus 2 cosine theta plus sin square theta into e power I theta d theta. So that is equal to I into 0 to minus 2 pi. Cos square plus sin square 1. 2. 2 is common. 1 minus cosine theta under root. So root 2 outside, root 2 I. 0 to minus 2 pi. What is this? Becomes 1 minus cos theta is what? 1 minus cos theta. 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2. So under root 2 sin theta by 2 e power I theta d theta. That is equal to 2i integral 0 to negative 2 pi e power I theta into sin theta by 2 d theta. Now you use this formula. Integral e power ax sin bx dx formula. What is that? E power ax by a square plus b square a sin bx minus b cos bx. Okay, here what? Here a value is I and b value is 1 by 2, right? B value 1 by 2. So 2i I will apply e power by a square plus b square a sin bx minus b cos bx is total between this limit. Sure. Next one. What is this? Minus 3 by 4 minus 8i by 4 3 8i by 3 and substituting limit. See, this is upper limit. First 2 pi e to the power of 2 pi I into ikkada 2 pi. Here in place of theta, if I put to minus 2 pi, this is I into sin pi 0 minus 1 by 2. Here minus 2 pi. Minus 2 pi means 2 gets cancelled. Cos minus pi means cos pi minus 1. This upper limit is over. And coming to lower limit, this is upper limit minus lower limit 0, this is 1, sine 0 0 first term, this is 1 by 2, cos 0 value 1. Okay, so this equal to minus 8i by 3 e power 2 pi I means cos 2 pi minus I sin 2 pi. Cos 2 pi value 1 and this is what 1 by 2, minus minus plus 1 by 2. So totally answer is minus 8i by 3 is the answer. Minus 8i by 3 is the answer. Any doubts in these three problems? Yes. Next problem, last problem. Evaluate. You take, what is this? 2z plus 3. 2z plus 3 by z dz, where C is, first question, upper half of the circle, upper half of the circle mod z equal to 2 in the clockwise direction. In the clockwise direction. Second one, lower half of the circle, lower half of the circle mod z equal to 2 in the anti-clockwise direction. In the anti-clockwise direction. Third one, C is the circle mod z equal to 2 in the anti-clockwise direction. When direction is not given, always treat it as anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise direction. These are the three problems. Okay. First one is what? Upper half. Second one lower half. And third one full circle. Third one full circle. Okay. Now first one. What is the first given circle? Okay. For the first problem, I'm taking C is the upper half. C is the upper half of the circle mod z equal to 2 in the clockwise direction. In the clockwise direction. So let me draw that figure. Mod z equal to 2 means this is 2 and this is negative 2. So only upper half. This part. Only upper half. This is 2. This is mod z equal to 2. Okay. And what is my curve? Upper half of in what direction? Clockwise direction. That means this direction. That means this direction. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Well, now which angle you need? Positive angle or negative angle? All of you, positive angle or negative angle?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative you need, huh? Okay. See, I will tell both cases. Now, clockwise direction means what? I told you negative. So this is 0. This is theta equals 0. And what about this? Negative pi by 2. What about this? Minus pi, correct? And this is one. See, all of you, this is very, very important. This is very, very important. theta equal to 0, theta equal to negative pi by 2, theta equal to pi, theta equal to negative pi 3 pi by 2, and this is theta equal to negative 2 pi. Don't forget this. If you forget to write negative 2 pi, entire is wrong. Okay. Now, according to what is the problem now? What is the z value? Since mod z equal to 2, what is z value? 2 into e power I theta. Then what is dz? 2i e power I theta d theta over c. This is my c. Over c, theta varies from where to where? Theta varies from minus pi to what? All of you. Minus pi to what? This is started with 0. 0 minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. You have to take minus 2 pi. Don't take 0. If you take 0, answer is wrong. Got it? This is the main observation. If we consider negative angle, then what is the input? Therefore, integral over c, what is the function is given as 2z plus 3 by z dz. So integral t minus pi to minus 2 pi. What is 2? Z value is what? 2 into e power I theta plus 3 by 2 into e power I theta into what? Dz 2i e power I theta d theta. Now these two gets cancelled. I outside, minus pi to minus 2 pi. This is 4 e power I theta plus 3 d theta. So what is this? I 4 e power I theta by I plus 3 theta minus pi to minus 2 pi. That is equal to I into minus 2 pi. 4 by I. E power minus 2 pi means cos 2 pi 1, sin 2 pi 0. That's it. This is minus 6 pi. This is upper limit. Minus lower limit 4 by I. E power my cos pi negative 1, sin pi 0, and this is minus 3 pi. So entire is what? I into 4 by I minus 6 pi plus 4 by I plus 3 pi. So is it correct? Right. 8 by I minus 3 pi. So 8 minus 3 pi I is the answer. 8 minus 3 pi I is the answer. See, all of you are same. I will tell the same concept. This is my circle. This is 2 and this is negative 2. This is clockwise direction. If I consider, for example, what are the angles? Positive angles, theta equal 0. This is theta equal to pi by 2. This is theta equal to 3 to pi. And this is theta equal to 3 pi by 2. If I consider like this, what is the angle then? It's a simple one. It's an angle, simple one. See, what is this angle? 2z plus 3 by 3 z dz. Over see here. Wait. Here, over C, theta varies from where to where? Clearly direction is given. So theta is from where to where? Pi to 0. You write directly. Pi to 0, you will get the answer. What is the simplification? Lastly, I took all the integration. Everything is there. What is this? I into this 4 e power I theta plus 3. I into 4 e power I theta plus 3 d theta. So what is this integration? This is I into 4 by I e power I theta plus 3 theta. This is pi to 0. So I into 4 by I upper limit e power 0 1. E power 0 1, and this is 3 theta 0. Upper limit is over. Coming to lower limit e power pi I cos pi negative 1, and this is plus 3 pi. So totally I 4 by I plus 4 by I minus 3 pi. So 8 by I, 8 minus 3 pi I. Same answer? Yeah, exactly same answer. Now choice is yours. Okay. Now second case. What is the second case? Lower half of the circle. Lower half of the circle mod z equal to 2 in the anti-clockwise direction. In the anti-clockwise direction. Okay. What is the figure now? This is my circle. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is negative 2 and this is positive 2. This is mod z equal to 2. What is this? Lower half of the circle mod z equal to 2 in anti-clockwise direction. Means where? What is the direction? This direction, anti-clockwise direction. So this angle 0, theta equal to 0. This angle theta equal to pi. Theta equal, see, I have to rotate this. Theta equal to 0. This is theta equal to pi by 2. Theta equal to 3 pi by 2. And theta equal to what? And theta equal to what? 2 pi. I have to move like this. From theta equal to pi to theta equal to 2 pi I have to get. Okay, not 0. Starting with 0. Starting with 0, moving like this, and when completing the circle, theta is 2 pi. Okay. So overseeing theta varies from theta equal to 0 to 2 pi. Sorry, pi to 2 pi. Theta equal to pi to 2 pi. Therefore, integral over c 2z plus 3 by z dz is equal to. Already I did this. Theta equal to pi to 2 pi. What I got? This entire thing. 4 I into 4 e power I theta plus 3. 4 into e power I theta plus 3 d theta. So what is the answer? Let us check. I into 4 by I e power I theta plus 3 theta between pi to 2 pi. So this is I upper limit 2 pi means 4 by I. This is 1 plus 3 pi. Upper limit is over. Minus lower limit 4 by I cos pi sin pi 0 plus 3 pi. So this is equal to I 4 by I plus 4 by I, 8 by I, 3 pi minus 3 pi gets cancelled. 8 by I this is. So 8 is the answer. No.
Sir, it is 6 pi, sir. Upper limit.
Where? 3 into 2. 6 pi. 6 pi minus 3 pi is there, right? This is what? 8 by I plus 3 pi. That is equal to 8 plus 3 pi I is the answer. 8 plus 3 pi I is the answer. And the last one, third one. What is the given? Circle. C is the circle, full circle. C is the circle, mod z equal to 2 in the anti-clockwise direction. In the anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. That means what? It's a full circle. It's the full circle, mod z equal to 2. Mod z equal to 2. So theta equal to 0, theta equal to pi, and theta equal to full circle anti-clockwise direction. So this is the curve C. Over C, theta varies from where to where? Full circle means what? Theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. That's all, simple. So this implies, therefore, 2z plus 3 by z dz is equal to what? Theta equal to 0 to 2 pi. What is this? I got 4 into e power I theta plus 3 d theta. So I into 4 by I e power I theta plus 3 theta. This is 0 to 2 pi. That is equal to I into 4 by I cos 2 pi 1 sin 2 pi 0 This is 6 pi. This is upper minus lower 4 by I and 0. So 4 by I minus 4 by I gets cancelled. What you will get, 6 pi I is the answer, right? Okay, these are the problems. You try this assignment. Evaluate integral over C, real part of z square, RE, real part. Real part of z square dz from 0 to 2 plus 4i along the first question. First question, the line segment joining the points 0, 0, 2, 4. Second one, x-axis from 0 to 2 and then vertically to 2 plus 4i and then vertically to 2 plus 4i. Just hint I am giving to draw the figure, that's it. Okay, first one is what? Along the straight line joining 0, 0 to 2, 4. If I take this is 2 and this is 4, this is 2, 4. This is the first one. You get the straight line. This is the first question. This is 2, 4. You find the straight line passing through this one. Find equation of C. First question answer. Then eliminate either x or y. Coming to second question. What is the thing here? Moving 0 to 1. First from along through x-axis. 0 to 2 it is moving. That means this is 1c1. Then vertically to 2 plus 4i. This is 2 plus 4i. That means 2, 4. 2 plus 4i means 2 plus 4i. Then vertically to this. This is over C2. You know all these equations. Okay, so C is the join of C1 plus C2, like our previous problem. Okay, this is complex integration, evaluation of complex integration. For example, if the function is very, very complicated, okay, then how to evaluate the complex integration? Or the thing is, let us use the property of analytic function, the conditions of analytic function to evaluate the complex integration very easily. So there are, next topic is Cauchy's theorem, Cauchy integral theorem. Okay, these are the topics to evaluate the complex integration using the concept of analytic function. Okay,